Hello students, today in this entrepreneurship class we will take the topic from the first unit, that is entrepreneurial opportunities, and our topic for today's class is idea generation. Students, entrepreneurship is all about starting a new venture, new business, and for that we have to develop certain ideas that what kind of business we can start, and that idea generation can be taken from various sources. So before starting a business we have to analyze each and every aspect of these sources and then pick up the best one. So the available options with us are, first one is natural resources. We can take idea from natural resources like from wood crafting, carpentry, masonry, or we can say anything artistic which can be created with the help of wood, lumbering, etc. Then from horticulture, then from any other thing which is naturally available like brick field where small bricks can be made. Then there are several other resources which is provided by the nature. So overall we have to see what are the available natural resources in our area where we want to start the business, and we can start our business with any one of them. Next idea field is existing product or services. If we want to go into the production of either goods or services, so we have to enlist all the products and services available in the market which are already existing, whose sales is continuously growing. So we can take any one of them and then start working after selection of that particular product. It may be possible that the product can be obtained from the primary market, then we can get it from the primary market, then furnish it or change its size and shape, and then we can offer it to the consumers. So there are a lot of products in our daily life which are heavily demanded. We can select any from them. Now in case of services, there are lots of services because service sector has a very increasing growth nowadays. So we can pick up any one service like banking, insurance, warehousing, transportation. If we suppose we take the example of insurance, we can start an insurance company providing good insurance offers to the clients. So it can also be started. Means overall in this point we have to pick up only existing product or service. We have a wide choice here. If we are going for producing anything or we are ready for providing any service, then we can choose any one, but it suits our requirement. Then next point is market or demand driven. In this point we have to select those products which are heavily demanded in the market because it assures us about the sales. There is a ready demand for that particular type of products which can be easily sold out. So there is no waiting period for us that we have produced certain goods but they are not being sold because they are not in demand. So it depends. Those who are heavily demanded, we can pick those products also. Next point is trading related. it is also an option to the new entrepreneurs that they can choose the trading business. And trading here means buying and selling goods or services which are already produced. Means we don't have to think about the production process. We just have to purchase it from somewhere and sell it to the customers. So that is also very economic feature, because here we don't have to install a machinery, a big factory and large number of workers. We just need a godown and a showroom. So trading related idea is also very beneficial if we are going to start a business, because whenever we select a manufacturing unit, at that time we have to invest or we have to unblock a lots of funds. A huge amount of funds is involved in setting up a factory. So instead of taking so much risk, we can take the trading option. It is very easy. You can become the wholesaler or retailer, whatever you want, and the product is already known to the customer, so there is less cost of advertising, no introduction of new product, no problem of demand, and less investment cost. Next point is creative efforts. Creative efforts here means that we can pick any service, any business, whether manufacturing, means we can take it from primary, secondary or tertiary sector, but we have to put our creative efforts so that the product is more attractive, more demanding, and we can actualize our sales. So if we are very creative, we have a different or abstract thinking, then we can do such things. And it is very necessary for every producer to offer something new from the existing product. Next point is service related. We can directly go for service related business, all those things which comes under the services category, like we start from the small scale, that is either beauty parlors or restaurants, hotels, or we can move on for big services like banking, insurance, warehousing, transportation. Any kind of services can be taken, but it should match our priority. If we are very interested in a particular set of services or individual service, then we have to analyze each of them. Suppose there are 3 options available, then we have to choose which one is best. And overall we can say in this topic, it is idea generation, and the idea fields are very large. It includes the whole gamut of all the activities which are running into the market. And we have to pick any one, but our choice should be so precise and clear that after choosing it, we have no choice to back out from the situation. So it is very crucial point when we select our type of business. So thank you, students.